remaining questions in the exercise 181. Question is there, for a non-empty set X, consider, non-empty set means it is no null set, they having the some elements, and consider Px is a power set of the all subset of X, and define relation A relation B is given in the parts of if and only if A subset B. Students, you just focus is here, where A and B is a subset of power set, and that is your relation A relation B. Then exists if and only if A subset B, and just checking is R is the equivalence relations. Justify our answer. When equivalence, yes, they must be reflexive, they must be symmetric, and they must be transitivity, and then all three valid, then we can say it is your equivalence relation. So I start first of all reflexive. Yes students, for reflexive checking, you know the reflexive rule, A relation A, look at that here, A relation B, I want the reflexive, then both same. Yes, can you say A relation A is a subset to itself? Yes, it is true, because every set is a subset of itself. Because every set is subset of itself, and that's the rule why I students written that it is A subset A is true, therefore it is reflexive. Relation. Yes students, I hope you understand very well. Now second, for the checking symmetric. So symmetric checking, what is rule? A relation B. Can we write A subset B? Therefore B relation A. It is true B subset A? No, it is not true. Because, for example, I just taking A, just like a 1, 2. B is I taking 1, 2, 3, because we have to A subset B. So we just say it is true that 1, 2 is subset of 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is true. But we cannot say B is never subset A, because B is a 1, 2, 3 is never subset of 1, 2. That's why we can show here it is not true. It means what? Yes, therefore it is not a symmetric relation. It means not the equivalence relation. But I also checking about to our transitivity. So students, third one, for transitive rule A relation B. Yes, A subset B. B relation C. That is B subset C. So can we write down A subset B subset C? It is indirectly here A set, every element present in B set, and every element present in C set. This figure indicates A subset B subset C. So confirm we can say A subset C. It means A relation C is true. Yes, therefore it is what? Transitive relation. Yes, after all, at the last ending for this numerical, we can say is R is a equivalence relation? So no. So here write down last answer. After that this line. No, these are R is not an equivalence relation. On that particular power set of X. And here students, happily, our this question number 8 is done. Now students, continue question number 9. Given a non-empty set x, again non-empty means they have the some element x, and consider the binary operation given px cross px tends to px. Px means what? Power set of given set x. And the binary is given a binary b. You focus on here. A binary b, which is a intersection b, and for every a comma b in px. So where px is a power set of x, then show that x is an identity element. Students, these are identity element of the x, and x is only one invertible for px with respect to operation x. So very easy for the given binary. What is the given binary? Our p of x cross p of x tends to p of x. For x is a non-empty set. So I just explaining by this A binary B intersection A intersection B that we prove that binary have identity is x. Yes students, first of all, for identity element I explained you already E. What is the property? A binary E is equal to E binary A is equal to A. Same here. This X is an identity. If I prove, then necessarily we can say A is a sum set. Binary X is a X binary A and is equal to what? A. That I prove. It's very simple. So A binary X, look at that. Your A binary B is an A intersection B. Already written here, right? So what you say here? A intersection X. And here also X binary A is also X intersection A. Students, here X is one of our universal set for the Px. So here you can write down A and A. I explain you for the example guys. Look at that. If set A, I taking just 1, 2, 3. And universal taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 some elements. So can you please say what is A intersection U and U intersection A? Yes, definitely. A intersection U. It is what? A. 101 question 1, 2, 3. Similarly here A 1, 2, 3. And actually this U is your universal set, your the Px. And here some elements there and A intersection X binary already given the intersection parts. That's why I written the A and A. It means your these are ready. X is the identities over. Therefore, we can say binary have identity element is X. And secondly, X is the only and only invertible for the binary P of X. So now I am going ahead to invertible. Now for binary invertible means inverse identity. Students, for the identity A binary A inverse, either A inverse binary A. Can you say what is property or closed property? Is equal to E. And what is my E? E is your X. So we can say here A binary A inverse is equal to A inverse binary A is equal to X. Because E is my identity already I proved here. So here if A is equal to A inverse is equal to X, then listen here. A is your set. A inverse means your the elements for the our A inverse part. A inverse is also considered one of the B elements. Either A inverse as you like students. So here that is your B and X is what? Our identity. If you these three are equal, then we can say here A binary B. Look at that. A binary B. A intersection B. And same as B binary A. B intersection A. Students, here B is considered one of the A inverse either invertible value. B is what? It is a invertible, and that is your invertible. Whenever you apply invertible binary, you get in what? Yes, X. So here A and B, if you equal, then you can say here X, because they both are the same. It is either A answer right, either B right, but we write down X because already we have two identity. So lastly, I am proving X is only and only one invertible. Therefore, X is only and only. Why not using only and only? Because they are equal. I taking that, then it is your only and only invertible for given binary. And here, students, now this question is over. Now continue, students. Question 10. Find the number of all onto functions to the given set A. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n set from A to A. Students, given function already given in the A set A. So I just show up here set A, and again that side also set A. 1, 2, 3, 4 till up to n, and 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. Students, here onto function asking, it means you focus your drawing on the reverse positions. Means F1 1, either F1 2, either F1 3, either F1 4, either I tell you. Any one is true. So it's very easy. Total number of onto function. If you are asking 1 1, then you going to straightforward 1 1 1 to this side arrow. Now here reverse. How many chances to occur F1 places? Any one is true. It is n. Any one is true. Now for two cases, only one left. Means n minus 1, because any one, maybe one have one of the one onto functions part, same as here 2, same as here 3. So there are n cases. Now second time n minus 1, third time n minus 2, same as at last you have to 3 to 1. It means 1, 2, 3, you have to n minus 2, n minus 1, and it is nothing, our n factorial. And that is, students, here question change. Only onto function. If you one asking, then also you can write down this side. If you one asking, then yes, and that also is factorial answer, because they have equal sets given to A and A. Yes. Now I am going to 12. Now students, I am going ahead. Question number 11, not the 12th. Yes, 11 is a S function given ABC and T given 1 to 3, and function given that F inverse find out if the exists to regarding our first one, and this is second one from S to T. So students, in two question given F inverse exists. When they exist, yes, must be. We check first, it is 1 1. Secondly, I check it is onto, and then after F inverse. So I go in the first one, F functions, the A3, B2, and C1 from the function S tends to T. So I just show out here S, here T. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. A then 3, B then 2, and C then 1. These are the check first. F A, capital F, sorry, capital B F B, and capital F C. What is getting? F A? Here 3, 2, 1. It is a 1 1 functions. Yes. So F A is equal to F B written? No. So A not equal to B already. So F is what? 1 1 function. Either according to drawing wise, you also check it is a uniquely associated. And what is the range? Students, my range is 1, 2, 3. And it's again to recall, it is your codomain, because function S tends to T. Therefore, F is onto function, and that's why I am going to, it is your invertible function, means f inverse is exist. And what is the exist value? Yes, it is t tends to s. T tends to s. And what is the t tends to s? Our t value is known, 1 to 3 tends to, what is the s? ABC. And that's why our this value is happily taken. Now I am moving ahead to the second question. F given A2, B1 and C1. Again I follow the drawing S and T, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, A then 2, B then 1, C then 1. No, it is not 1, 1, because here F, B, 1 and F, C, 1. So, we write down F, B is equal to F, C because both equal. But here B is never equal to C. It means F is not 1, 1 function. Finally, it's not 1, 1. So students, it is also not 1, 2. Huh? What is the range? 1, 2 only. So not 1, 2, not 1, 1. So we can write down here F inverse does not exist. Yes. On the y also, just I show out that what is the range? Students, range is a 1, 2, 3. No, 3 is not valid here. Only 1, 2. So again I show it, f is not onto function. Anyone, if you not valid to 1, 1 either 1, 2, sure f inverse does not exist. So finally here 2 questions is happily yet done. Now students, I am going to question number 12. Yes, now students, I am going ahead slowly. Question 12. This is question 12 is the most IMP question, sir. Yes. Many times asking in our exam. There are 4 questions combined asking. First, consider the binary R cross R tends to R. And this O is also one of the binary R cross R in R. It means 2 binary given. A binary B modulus A minus B and A O B. O means again I called binary. A binary B is equal to A for every A B belongs to R. Then first proving, show that first one, this first binary, this one is a commutative but not associative. Second one, O binary, O is also binary, yeah? This is a associative, it is this one but not commutative. And after the 2 proving, I am going to further show that A binary, B O binary is equal to A binary B, O A binary C. And after that 3 checking, I am going to further after that O distribute over binary. That is the last 4th case. So students, I very slowly one by one going ahead. First of all, I checking to first binary A binary B. I have to modulus A minus B, and I checking to what? First of all, commutative. Yes. For commutative, we taking here 2 and 3 numbers belongs to in R. So A binary 2 binary 3, which is 2 minus 3. And what is the 3 binary 2? Which is 3 minus 2. This is always the same number. Either I explain A binary B, modulus A minus B. Sure, we can say B binary A, B minus A. Yes, minus are common indirectly. It is a modulus A minus B. Final, they are same. So A binary B is equal to B binary A. Therefore, binary is this whole commutative. Now, this again question I check out to associative. Similarly, students, I first of all easily taking some numbers for associative. 2, 3, 4 belongs to R. Yes, 2 binary, 3 binary, 4. First of all, this I taking to LHS size. Our which sides? LHS for associative. What is 2 binary 3? Yes, 2 binary 3 is applied here in the A binary B. This one already you calculate, but don't again calculate. 2 minus 3 binary 4, which is 1 binary 4 is 1 binary 4. You getting 1 minus 4, and what is the answer? 3. Now RHS. So our RHS is a 2 binary, 3 binary, 4. In that bracket, 3 and 4 binary. And what is 3 minus 4? Yes, it is 1 only. So you can write down now 2 minus 1. Check. It is same? No. So these are not associative finished. Therefore, I just last tell you. Therefore, binary is not associative. And here students, this first line only done. Now I hear O. O is also one kind of binary. A, O, B is equal to what? A. Now I explain into this part. Here after that going to first case. Now A, O, B, which is A, for every A belongs to R. So I checking first. Commutative. Yes. A, O, B, A answer. B, O, A, B. They are not same. A, O, B is not equal to B, O, A. Either you take some number 2, O, 3, 3, O, 2. Actually, O reading either binary reading. You reading, it is a binary. 2 binary 3. What is 2 binary 3? Answer is A. So here 2, here 3. They never same. So we can write down here 2 binary 3 is not equal to 3 binary 2. So O is not commutative. Students, look at that in your question. O is not commutative, proof. Now I checking O is associative for taking number wise and also without number wise. So continue and moving ahead to that second case, our associative to A, O, B. This is your question. Now A, O, B, O, C. One time bracket A, O, B. What is A, O, B answer? A. And what is the A, O, C answer? A. Second check. A, O, B, O, C. Here also same. What is B, O, C? A binary B is A. So what is B binary C? Which is B. Again A. Either you take the sum number 2, 3, 4 belongs to R. 2 binary, 3 binary, 4. That is 2. Binary 4. Answer is 2. Same as 2 binary, 3 binary, 4. 2 binary 3 which is 2. You don't reading here 204 and 203 students. So finally we can say A, O, B, O, C. They are bracket one then here, one then here. They are equal. It means O is this one. O is associative. Rule. Now finally students, our one line this and second line this done. Now I am moving ahead this one. Further show that. Now I am moving to this one. Further showing to our next case. It means in this numerical that is a third part. And after that I explain fourth part. So what is the third part? This one. A binary BOC is equal to A binary B O A binary C. That proving I going to now prove that. Very easy. RHS. A binary B O C. Can you say what is BOC? Yes, you correct thinking. BOC according to AOB is A. So here B. And what is answer? Modulus A minus B. Same going ahead here. RHS. My RHS is a binary B. Oh, A binary C. It is A minus B because A binary B I know that. Here this one. This A binary B. Again A binary C operate by same concept. Modulus A minus C. So my answer is A minus B because in the O binary you write down first data. So here what is first data in this two? A minus B. Check. They are same. It means A binary BOC is equal to A binary B O A binary C. And here your third case students. Done. Now check again. Does O distribute over binary? So last statement now explaining. It is true or not. There is a question marker. It means maybe true, either not true. So now I checking to, we check what? O, distribute. Means what, students? Distributive rule over this binary. So very easy. This O and binary versus you just assume some numbers. I just assume just like 1, 2, 3 belongs to R. Here 1, O, 3 binary is equal to. I just checking. What is equal to checking? 1, O. Say 2 binary 3. According to that, 2 minus 3. How much in modulus? It is 1. And what is 1 binary 1 in the O shape? It is A. It means 1. Now here distributive property. 1, O, 2 binary. 1, O, 3. Students, this 1, O, 2 means 1 minus 2 binary. 1 minus 3. So what you get? 1 minus 2 it is 1. Binary. Here 2. It means only 2. And check out 2. 1 minus 2. Because this binary shape given A binary means what? A minus B. I write down here 1 minus 2. It is 1. It is same? Yes. In this case same. But if you check again, for every number same taking. But in different angle I just write down here 1 binary 2 or 3. This is also distributive property, students. So both way you check necessary. O is our this star, this is star binary, either star one is you O. So this also 1 binary. This answer is what? 2 or 3? It is 2. And here 1 minus 2, you getting answer 1. Same is here. 1 binary 2, O 1 binary 3. My answer is 1 minus 2. O 1 minus 3. Check. This answer is 1. O. And here what? It is 2. And what the answer for 1 binary 2? According to A binary B is A. So here what I write down? It is also here. In this case, that is the 1. I think there was some mistakes there. I just rechecking again, students. That is 1 and 203. That yes, students. Here my one mistakes here. 1 binary 2. According to A or B is I just by mistake I written modulus. Actually you write down what? 1 binary 2 is here 1. And what is 1 binary 3 is again 1. So students, 1 binary 1 which is 1 minus 1. Now this binary y is going to A minus B modulus, it is 0. And this is not same. Check. Yes, these are same. Indirectly if you both are true, then we can say it is a distributed over O to binary, either binary star to O. But it is last answer? No. It is not. This written. Not. O distributive. 2 over this star. Students, I again repeat you not depend on this and this. Always depend on both. Sometime one true, check. One not true. Okay, and I again repeat here one by mistakes. I just recorrect 102. It is a 102 according to A or B. It is A, so that's why I written here A. By mistake I written this modulus base. Okay. Now here students, our this question number 12 of the 4 parts is happily done here. And students also our this part is done. Further explanation I explain you in the next part. Okay. Bye bye.